what is the next future or next 5 years of my rough idea. And you can also make some of the prediction results after completion of your visualization part. Take that extraction data sets and you can make your predictions by using the time series forecasting models. So this will eventually very helpful to understand with regarding some figures. And also you can see other dashboard is going to be represented as profit by year and also the quarter. So you can make some kind of the line plots. This you can see here. So 2016 onwards, it's slightly increasing and suddenly it's decreasing, and 2016 suddenly increasing, suddenly decreasing. You can see the peak values arises at the 2019. After that, it went down. So it's going to be looks like something stationary. So if those of you not understood the stationarity or trend or seasonality, this is out of this course, but I'm just trying to explain the stationarity consists of some kind of the time series access. This is a time series access, right? So this will eventually helpful to understand more profitability with respect to the year and also the quarter. So once you understood with regarding this much of idea with respect to the profit, this is eventually useful to get some knowledge on profit by subcategory also. So you have understood some of the categories firstly. So what you had to do, you had to check in the granularity level or in the subcategory level. So which is sales or which subcategory is more powerful to sell more number of the customers. And also you can see the profit by each and every category and profit by each and every segment, profit by each region. So this is also eventually helpful in the granularity level so that we will get some ideas or exploration in terms of if suppose a category, you can see some category having very less number of the sales or profit very less, profit is very less. So why this is happened? First thing, why this is happened? So customers are not satisfied with it, or customers bias towards only the two different categories. What exactly the need for this? Firstly, what exactly the need for that? You have to be check the granularity level, right? For that you have to check the granularity level. Until unless you cannot check the granularity level, you cannot be get some kind of idea of understanding with respect to why this is happening. At the time you realize this is very interesting of showcasing the things with compared to the granularity level, then you can make some of the data analytics stuff with respect to your report. So let's see how does this report is going to be customized and what are the different fields we are going to make that consideration. So if you maybe wonder how we are getting some text kind of the thing in the Power BI. So text kind of the thing we're going to be get from your insert. Go to insert, you will get a text box here. Okay, so once you get this text box, drag and drop considering the whether you want to be present in the middle or whether you want to present on the top or the left or the right, like that. So just simple if you are understood the paint in your local PC, this is very straightforward. If you are understood the paint, how to use the paint and how to make the simple kind of the modifications, this is very simple to understand visualization things much better easy. And you can also see we have just a drag and drop with some of the different plots. If you are aware of whatever we have seen in the previous classes with corresponding to the pie plots, with corresponding to the line, and with corresponding to the staggered bar plots. This is a table, and this is some kind of the bar slices and also the curd. This is just a simple chord to represent, and this is a slicer. So very much interesting exploration with respect to the matrices, the tables, and also the staggered bar plots. So line plots is also going to be very helpful. If you want to be required to understand with respect to the each and every formats, just go to the format. Yeah, let's click maybe this pie plot and just for understanding, go to the formats and what are the different formats we have applied on this dashboard. So you can see here, we have not applied the legend. You can make it as a legend. It will be showing as a legend now. If you don't want the legend, you can simplicity to ignore that. And the slicers you want to be specified, yeah, you can see here different colors we are going to be specified here. And along with some of the colors you can going to be showcased with respect to that. And also the you can see the detailed labels with corresponding to the each and every plot. So eventually you want to be showcased outside or inside. The position is required for preference of solution is going to be required for the prefer outside or inside. You want to be showcased, that's up to you. And also the label contains with respect to the category or the day value or the percent of the total category data value, category percent of the total data value, percent of the total, as per the understanding, as per the nature of convincing your stakeholders. This is very straightforward stuff. And also the rotation, if you want to be rotate your some of the plots, you can specify the rotation. That's up to you.